Welcome to Gold Plaza, Abu Hammer, Doha, Qatar.
Ano, saan na kayo? Pabalik na kayo?
Yeah, dito kayo.
Sige.
Abu Hammer pala to?
Mga 20 minutes.
Dati ako nakatira.
Dito na kami, naghihintay sa inyo.
Dito ako nakatira banda.
Ano bang gusto nyo?
Ay.
Actually, we are here at Red Sea Restaurant and Cafe, located at Gold Plaza Abu Hammer, in front of Regency Supermarket.
And shout out to the three most beautiful staff of Red Sea Restaurant, Cynthia, Krizia, and Maria.
Hi, Krizia.
Hi. Aywa. Yes. Ano pong mayroon dito? Pwede yung pumasok dito?
Yeah.
Hi, Cynthia.
Hi sir, welcome to Red Sea.
Yes po. Ano pong mga special ano ninyo dito?
This international food scene. Meron po tayong Filipino food. Meron din tayong Arabic food. And also we have the Tunisian food alone.
This located at Abu Hammer, no?
Located from Gold Plaza Abu Hammer.
Gold Plaza.
In front of the Regency Shopping Complex.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So, yung mga bestseller natin dyan, ipapakita natin yung mga menu sa bestseller para mapuntahan ng ating mga kababayan dyan.
Ang first natin bestseller sa Pinoy, we have the Tapsilog and Bangsilog. Ito pong Tapsilog natin is homemade po namin yan. Yan po yung binabalik-balikan sa amin. And then this one, Mongolian rice. Yung fried rice po namin is mix ng shrimp, chicken, vegetable, and on top this is good for sharing already. And meron din po tayong chick silog, tuna, and corn silog.
Ang dami po.
Spring rolls, hot silog, buttered garlic shrimp with potatoes, quesadillas, different kinds of fries,
Yes.
grilled cheese sandwich, spring potato, baked potato. Sa baked potatoes po, pwede po tayo ma-customize kung anong gusto niyo sa loob. And dito po sa pasta natin, meron po tayong red sauce, white sauce, or mixed sauce, shrimp, chicken available. Meron din po tayong bacon fries. This is good for group.
Bali, family group. Family serve.
This is the two kinds of our burgers. We have the crunchy chicken burgers, comes with fries already, and we have the Red Sea signature burger. This one. This is our burger here, and this one is our dessert. We have the banana split. This is good for sharing also, and the healthy bowl smoothies.
Alright.
And then for the soup,
Yes, yung
for the
gustong...
soup, we have the noodle soup with egg, sinigang na baka, sinigang na ipon, corn soup, at saka may fala. Ito po Arabic food natin. May shawarma tayo, shawarma meal, or shawarma plate. Falafel bites, falafel sandwich, fatouche, Caesar salad, bacon silog, and we have also the calamares, mashed potato, nachos, Turkish coffee, and different kinds of fresh juices.
Right? So, complete package na dito.
Yes po. And this one, for the additional menu, we have the Tunisian food. This one. This is our newly finished today.
O, package na po ito. So, may mga prices din.
Yes, we have the Baghdad Mercy.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. I will invite to everybody to come in, dine in here at
Red Sea Restaurant Cafe.
Red Sea Restaurant, located at Abu Hammer, Gold Plaza, besides and also in front of Regency Shopping Complex. All right, thank you so much.
Cynthia and Chrysia. Bye.
Malaki pala siya. Akala ko maliit na bus. Ayun oh. Tama-tama. Solve na solve yung kalaki. Okay. Yan. Brad, welcome.
Welcome to BBC.
Saan tayo?
Kape.
Konti na lang.
Dito tayo sa... Ano po pangalan to? Ano pangalan ng ano niyo? Ah. Ayan oh.
Welcome to Tabi Boba.
Ganda rin.
Ano yung best seller nila dito ng milk tea?
Basta milk tea daw.
Sa dami ko. Parang nag-curious ako na. Wala yung dito na. Yung ganyan.
Birthday ba? Oo. Oh, happy birthday.
Alam ka din? Ano? Pa-blow by me. Hey! How old are you?
Nakalimutan ko. Maintindihan naman natin.
Bakit kayo nagpagbalamig?
Oo.
First time kinatok si Brother Kenneth ng birthday siya. Kinatanong siya ito ng birthday ko.
Walang pakanta dito sa birthday? Walang pakanta? Wala ba?
Mix pa pala yan. Mikos ba yan?
Oh, may ganyan.
Oo, pwedeng balik na rin oh. Ito, galing ah. Galing talaga oh. Kahit na nag-video to, may picture rin to eh.
Picture, wala na to. Kasama ko si Mi. Yan lang makakatikim mo ulit ito. Natawag yan. Makusik lang ka, natawag na.
Oh. Picture. Right.
Naglakad ko, wala pang Men's Express doon. Alam ko Men's Express pero matulog paano ko na. Ginawa niya, nag-search ko.
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy the food. Please do subscribe, like and share. Arnold, the Desert TV. Thank you.